How to change email on Zoom account. So one thing you have to note down is that you won't be able to change your email address from Zoom application. So you have to directly go to the official website of Zoom, either from PC or any web browser on your mobile device. So I have searched for Zoom. Let's go to its official website. So after you are logged in, simply tap on your profile picture icon. Then simply go to Settings. Now, once you come here, on top you can see a drop-down button. Tap on it. Now, from here, you'll see My Account category. Then tap on Profile. Now, once you come here, scroll down below. And under Sign In category, you'll see Sign In Email. Simply tap on Edit option. Then all you would have to do is enter in your new email address. Then enter the password of your Zoom account. After this, make a selection on I'm not a robot. After this verification, tap on Save Changes. So after this, you would have to check your previous sign-in email to confirm this change. So until your new email address is activated, you can still sign in with your previous one, and all notifications will still be sent to this email address. So follow these easy steps in order to change email on Zoom account. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.